Hi, I'm Deborah DiMare. I design beautiful spaces without any fabrics or furniture that are derived from animals. I don't use wool, fur, leather, silk, down, and anything else animal-based. I design with compassion. Humane design is not only for those who love animals. Faux fabrics are more durable than their animal-based competition. Try cleaning up liquids like dog urine or juice on a real leather sofa. Good luck. Alternative leathers don't soak up liquids and are pretty much scratch resistant. Compassionate decor fits all budgets. You can find very affordable humane decor as long as you know what to look for, or you can also go ultra high-end, super swanky. Ethical design is great for people with allergies, asthma, and lots of other conditions. You know, over half of Americans have an illness. Faux down, for example, is awesome. There's no dusty, moist down feathers to deal with when sleeping. Humane decor is much less toxic than real skins and hides. Did you know that leather is soaked in extremely toxic chemicals? These same poisons seep into our skin and can trigger illness. Healthy design is ideal for those with sensory challenges such as autism. People with sensory challenges typically are more sensitive to touch and smell. Faux alternatives are gentler on the senses. They don't smell like dead cow or scratch like sheep's wool. My path that led me to become a humane interior designer was initially from my absolute love of animals and my compassion for those less fortunate and forced to work in deplorable toxic conditions in order to survive. The average tannery worker in India dies before the age of 50. Nearly 1 billion animals are horrifically killed yearly for the skins industry. 150 species become extinct daily. Within a few years, there'll be more plastic than fish in the ocean, and the list of disheartening truths just goes on and on. The world of fashion is finally addressing the injustice by banning fur. So what's the difference between a leather coat and a leather couch? Innocent, loving animals and people had to suffer. It takes about 8 cowhides to make the average leather sofa. That's 8 cows who had to die for a sofa that could easily have been made with a faux alternative. Compassionate design is great energy. Imagine a space that's been designed without blood or tragedy attached to it. That is very cool. Have purpose. Please help save living beings, human and non, and surround yourself and the ones you love with healthy, luxurious, compassionate design options.